Okay, there's no way that I'm going to go back to work and not pick this open before I go. Just ain't happening. So, I think this tension will work. I'm going to try to do it through the camera if I can. I don't know if I can do it this way or not. Which I've never picked a Presto. I think it's... Got a little faucet going. Okay. We're open. So, let me zoom out here. Now that is just too cool. That is just too cool. Ah, I see. He put a groove there, and the tailpiece latched onto it. I got it. What is this? Oh, these are those quick picks. Those are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I wished I could make stuff like this. 2 hooks. I'm a hooker. Haha. That is just too freaking cool. I've been wanting some of these. That is just too cool. That's This is awesome. Good luck. Strange. This kind of scares me. Oh man. Oh. I have come close to buying one of these on eBay. Check out that keyway. Double-sided. That is just awesome. Avis. Avis 7240. Mummied key. That's gonna be fun too. 7240s are always fun, in my opinion. I made, you know, he took the time to make this, so as long as I don't mess it up, because I will not mess this box up. This box is mine. But I do have a key here. I know for it. Right here. Coffin box. I guess I can go ahead and pull this up since I picked it open. See what the key looks like. There's the key and the bidding. Pretty good bidding. So, since they took the time to make this, I am going to get it. And like I said, as long as I don't mess it up, because this ain't up for trade. This will go right over here on my little table, and that's where it'll stay. Locked up. I just may put the key inside of it and just lock it up. Okay. But since he took the time to make it, then I'm going to take the time to show the pins, because I'm sure it's not standard. And it's just freaking cool. I mean, it's just awesome. Let me set the bubble packing right there. Let me move this stuff out of my way. Okay, let me get me a follower. Nope. I think this may work. Turn it a little bit. You know, I don't want nothing to mess it up. So I'm going to shim, because I think there's a little groove right there. I think I need a smaller size one. I think this will work. It's too big too. I know that's way too small, but it'll work for now. Okay. 5-pinner. There's key pins. There we go. Oh yeah. You can see some of the pins there are definitely like T-pins. Crap. Let's go here. Number 1. Serrated. I call it the wedding cake serrations. I'm gonna look at number 2 a little bit more. These are just awesome pins. West Coast Picks can make some awesome pins. Alright, where'd my tweezers go? Sure, I just had them. Well, I know they're probably sitting here in front of my face and I just can't see them. Well, okay. Number 2. Serrated. Looks like they're all serration. I'm going to go ahead and gently close the box. Take that shim out. Well, no. I don't know where my tweezers went. There they are. Alright, number 1. Grab it here. Beautiful, beautiful pen and pen. That's how he came out. I guess. Get down here where everybody can see. Share line. It's like this. And that's a beautiful, beautiful T-pen looking. Beautiful serrated. Another beautiful beautiful pens. And one and three. 135 looks threaded. really tell with the spring still in there. I'm gonna try to get the springs out. I knew it would happen. They just dumped right out on me. And they were different crap. I didn't see which one went where. And let's see. Can't really tell. I don't feel any threading in the Bible. Just the core 1, 3, and 5. Alright, here's this amazing Rest in Peace box from West Coast Picks. Here's a close-up of the pins. Beautiful pins. Beautiful pins. And just the coffin box is just, I just love it. I wish I'd have thought of it. West Coast, I greatly appreciate the locks that were in it, plus these quick picks, I believe is what they're called. I will definitely use these at work. I just wish I could make picks like this. These are just amazing. Amazing. Alright everyone, West Coast again, huge thanks. You blew me away. And yes, the case was a surprise. And nice lock, nice pins. So I will get started on these locks. Can't wait. You make a great challenge lock. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go check out West Coast Picks. Great picker and lock maker. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.